Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix high ping lag on Counter-Strike 2. So let's begin. So here we are in our desktop, and the first thing that we would need to do is the basics. So that would be going into our browser. And from here, we're going to go into fast.com because we're going to go and see how fast our internet connection is. And from here, you can see some inconsistency with your results. If you can see that, and that means that your internet is not stable. In that case, then you can try restarting your router, or if you can really solve it and you don't know what is causing it, then you can just contact your internet provider and see how you can fix it right there. And yeah, if this is the case for you, then that would be the solution. But if your problem would be to see Counter-Strike servers, because that could also be the case, then you can search here Counter-Strike 2 servers, server status right here. So you can see the Counter-Strike database right here, and you can see if the servers are down, because if it is down, then no matter how fast your internet connection is, if it's down, then you won't be able to access it, or it might be very laggy right here. So make sure that you check it right here. So for example, you are currently in EU and you have your failed right here, then if this is color red, then you would need to transfer into another country or another region. But to do that, you can use VPN right here. So you can just go for VPN right here, search for it, and there is a lot of VPN that you can use right here. There are a lot of free trials so that you won't need to pay until the servers is fixed right here. So you can also do that. And after that, then if everything is still laggy, then what I recommend is that you want to go into your CMD. After doing all of that and nothing is working, everything is optimal right here, then you can just click here on Run as Administrator, or command prompt, and yes, right there. And once you're here, what you want to do is type in ipconfig right there, space /flush DNS. And after that, you want to hit enter, and this would pop up right here. As you can see, it's now successful. And then you can go and exit, and now you can test it out and see if it has been fixed. But if not, then what I can recommend to you is that you need to update your network adapter driver. So to do that, you need to go into your start menu, type in device manager, and you can see it right here on your control panel. And from here, you want to open up network adapters right here in your device manager and select the driver that you are currently using. So for example, I'm currently using Wi-Fi, so it would be this one, dual band wireless, and I want to right click on it and go and update driver, and then search automatically. And as you can see, it's already the best driver that is currently installed, so I don't need to do anything. But if in your case you have an update available, then I recommend that you download and install that update right here. And don't worry, it will be very quick. And then you need to close it right there, and now you can test it out again and see if that has worked. And yeah, if this didn't work right here, all of the steps you have already done all of it and still didn't work, then it is most likely that the problem is your internet connection. Then I really suggest that you need to contact your internet provider. So thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.